Mom and Daughter channel. I'm Keish.
I'm Ellie.
So today we're going to do a pink look. A pink eye look. She has a pink shirt.
It just says pink.
Mine just says pink. I don't own an actual pink shirt.
Like mine.
And today we're in Ellie's room because her room's pink.
True, mine is pink, but I want to change the color to like a teal color. No. Yeah, that would be way better.
But anyways, and we're going to be using, again,
the Pretty and Rich.
Pretty Rich palette. And for Christmas I got a $25 Ulta gift card. I need to, let me know down below what's a good palette I should buy from Ulta.
Yeah, just comment.
I'm thinking about finding another Too Faced one.
I never heard of it.
Because I really only own Urban Decay, Too Faced,
Morphe,
and Morphe palettes.
That's all we own.
That's all I have.
That's like all we own. It's still like that one thing that we got from Tarte. The little Tarte palette.
Oh, a little Tarte palette. So,
and like Tarte thing.
Before we get started with this look, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Click that bell.
Click that bell.
Okay, so we're going to prime our eyes.
I have not done this.
And you're going to prime your eyes. And I do have my full face done. I always do my eyes last. And lately it seems like a lot of people are doing their eyes first.
Why? Because I think myself like, when you're putting food, I try to actually just get it on your eye.
I like mine done last. But, okay, so, and we're also following this booklet for the pink eye. So,
better hope
apply Princess Cut from lash to brow bone.
And what?
So, Princess Cut, that one.
And where do I put it though?
From lash to brow bone.
I'm on my next eye. Let me see yours.
My highlight's popping.
Let me see.
You can see it on camera. Why are you looking at me?
I don't see it on camera at all.
See that glowiness?
Oh, I see. Okay. But I didn't have highlighter.
I used a different highlighter today. It's the Becca Opal, maybe? I don't even know. It's like a little sample one.
Okay, I'm done. What's next?
I'm not done.
Blending, highlight the lid, and smoke glow. I don't know what that means.
Make sure they're even. Okay.
My phone even.
Blend highly selective onto lid and smoke into lower lash line.
So what does that mean?
What color? Highly selective. So that's a nice pink color actually. So onto the lid and lower lash line. So all over the lid.
All over the
Which doesn't mean not as high as you just did the last one.
It's like under like what we just did? Like under?
Like this, watch. I like to do it this side first.
It's like under,
and then under. So under.
I'm not talking about that under. I'm talking about like the under the thing that we just did.
Yeah, just
what color again? This one?
Yeah. Which, I don't know. This JH33, it feels like it never really picks up anything.
Probably not.
To pick up. But this pink color we're using now, highly selective, is like...
Okay.
Not a pink, like a pink, but not a pink.
It's kind of like a pink, but it's not a pink. It's like kind of a rose gold color.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it definitely is. But yeah, if you have any suggestions on a palette I should use with my gift card, let me know. That's what I want to...
Comment down below what she should get.
I want to get a palette.
I have no idea what I would want to get.
Or I could get the James Charles, but that's another Morphe. Like, I'm kind of... Like, I'm done with Morphe for now.
Like, Morphe, they have a lot of palettes, but...
Like, the recent one I bought, I think...
She wants, like, bright colors to use on her eyes.
I think it was 35F from Morphe. The colors aren't... I feel like they're all the same. And when I do the look, it comes out the same. Like, this Pretty Rich palette, the looks I've been doing... They look different.
Oh
like the silver, I used the diamonds for breakfast. It looked completely different than the fluid and diamonds, the gold. Like, it just, I don't know how to explain it. But.
She really looks like the James Charles because of like her bright colors.
I mean, the James Charles has nice colors, but I don't want another Morphe. So now I'm going to go back in with Princess Cut. I'm just going to go back above a little bit.
I'm going to do that
feel
like... My Princess Cut is right here.
I need some more up here. And if my brows haven't looking even, sorry. This one needs to grow back.
Like, why?
This one needs to grow.
Why? Like the...
Because the hair, like I don't grow hair in a certain spot. It's weird. They always mess it up when I get them started. Okay, so next, use your finger to press Diamond Glitterita onto the lid. So the pink, and you put it all over the lid.
Oh, yes. I can't wait for this to see how much glitter I put on my eye.
So.
Oh, I do.
The glitters are so nice. And they're smooth. Like, it doesn't even feel like you have glitter on. Like, it's like a soft gel glitter almost. Like when you put your finger in it.
Oh my gosh, I just messed up a whole bunch. Oh, I messed up.
You're fine.
No, fine. Look. See? Oh, here.
You can take a brush and fix that. I think you're pressing too hard.
I'm just swiping like this. There. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush.
Ooh. Hold on, let me see. Let me help her. The last step, highlight the inner corner with Clutch Your Pearls. So we're going to take Clutch Your Pearls with the inner corner. And Ellie's messing all my brushes up.
Wait, what's that?
I'm missing a brush. There it is. Clutch Your Pearls. And you just put it in the inner corner, and she kind of has it in the inner corner on the top and the bottom. So
I'm gonna use this brush. It looks more like yours. Like the little corner place.
yeah, but hers is kind of. I need to wipe some. I got a little bit of glitter on here. Ooh, and up there, how'd I get glitter? A bunch of glitter right there.
Is it really? Because you can't really see the white one, so it's not going to be the best one.
Like, when you're doing glitter eyes, you probably should do your eyes first and your makeup, but I just love doing my face first. With this glitter, see how I'm going like this? And the kind I didn't, the stuff I didn't press on my eye, it's actually coming off. So, still looking good.
No, you're not.
Oh, a little bit under the bottom of the eye. I said just to use highly selective, but I'm gonna take Princess Cut and go under there too, just to give it more shimmer.
Have you heard of like a wing? Like you like right here, like do a wing.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of eyeliner because I suck. But in the giveaway, we actually won a thing you put on your face, and you can do winged eyeliner. We might try that. We might try that in a video. Just not today because I suck. Okay, that looks good.
I'm making wings with glitter.
So, I'm kind of blend this up. And you can even take some of that Clutch Your Pearls up here.
Ooh, that would be a good idea. Mine's not like so bad because I don't want to do that.
Okay, so I'm going to put mascara lashes on. I'll be back and I'll be zoomed in to show you. And she'll be zoomed in, okay?
I'll put some of this on.
We'll be right back.
Okay. Here's my finished look.
Close your eyes. Turn a little bit.
I probably really didn't get anything like under there.
Here's my finished look.
Mommy.
Okay, so that completes today's look. One more time, lean up. We turn the ring light off now, so. Anyways, this is what we were going for. Actually, it looks like it, except for her inner corner looks a lot more whiter than mine. Other than that, it looks the same.
Let's see how white it is. How'd she do that?
Because her inner corner is almost like, it's like a white. That completes the look using the Pretty Rich Too Faced palette with the pink.
Did we tell them what that was called? The name of the pink one? Pretty and Priceless.
Yes. And I'm thinking about doing Sitting Pretty in another video. It's silver with the blue, and it's like it's a smoky eye.
And it's like there's like a little dark corner.
Yeah, it's like a smoky eye. So Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.